Have you ever wondered if you truly can make a lot of money from low-ticket digital products? Well, you're about to find out in today's episode. Hey there, it's Elise. Welcome to the Soul-Led Millionaire podcast, the show that will help you create a soul-led seven-figure business and life in the most beautifully aligned way. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. Now, with saying that, let's get into the show. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of the Soul-Led Millionaire. I'm so excited to bring you today's episode because we are talking about the beginnings. The very beginnings of my business, on how I built it to the success that it is today. And it all comes down to a $27 product. Yes, can you believe it? Not 127, not 1,027. $27 changed my business. So there are a lot of people in this industry who tell you that if you want to make big money, you've got to go high ticket, high end, high quality. But the truth is, you can make as much impact, if not more, with a lower ticket offer. Let's begin with the story of how I actually started with this $27 product. When I started my business, about a few months into it, I was trying a lot of different things, experimenting with different methods, not just from making money, but how to market my business, how to grow it, how to grow my email list. And I learned about Pinterest. And at the time, Pinterest was amazing. It was kind of untampered with in the sense of they didn't have ads on there. They didn't have all the algorithm shit on there like they do now. It was just sort of a pure new-ish tool that people could use. And people figured out how to use it in order to market their businesses. It wasn't intended for that, but they figured out how to do it. They told everyone about it. And so I decided to try it out for myself to see if it would bring traffic to my website. And lo and behold, it did. And I learned very quickly that this was an amazing tool to bring traffic to your website. Now, there was one day a few months into my brand new business where I was thinking about that. If it can bring traffic to my website, could it bring traffic to other things? Like, say, an affiliate product? So I decided to try it. I implemented the strategy, and within 24 hours, I made my first affiliate sale from that product. And then that week I went on to make 3 more sales, and then it just took off. It built momentum from there. And I realized, holy crap, this is a thing. It worked. So I decided to create a little ebook to tell people about it, to show them how to do it. And I sold it for $7, but I made it a tripwire product because I wasn't sure if it was going to sell. So I made it a tripwire product. And a tripwire product is something that you upsell people after they have subscribed to your email list. And I kid you not, every single person who opted into my email list bought the ebook. That is unheard of. That's a conversion rate like for a fable. That never happens. Every single person bought the ebook. And I knew I was onto something. So I raised the price to $9 just to see if people would continue to buy it. They did. In fact, they started buying more. And that told me that this could be an actual product. I could sell this publicly rather than behind the wall of subscribing, right? And I decided to try my luck. I put it out into the public domain, I guess you could say. And I raised the price first to 25, and then I settled on 27. And my God, it took off. This ebook went crazy. And from that ebook, from when I started selling that ebook, within 12 months, I had made $30,000 from that ebook. That was insane to me. From $27, I had made 30 grand from an ebook I just made sort of randomly just to see if it would sell, just to see if it was something that people wanted. And I managed to have a hit and run. This ebook changed my business. It changed the game. It gave me stable income. I was able to start traveling. I was able to make bigger decisions with money now because I had money continuously coming in, and I didn't have to try to sell it because it was such an easy sell. It sold itself, right? Now, there were many elements that worked to make that happen, which I will tell you about later on in the episode. But essentially, the product was so good that it sold itself, right? Now, the journey continues. Even though I had this ebook that had made 30K, I hadn't quite clicked yet that I could not only make a full-time income from a low-ticket digital product, but that I could make 6 and 7 figures from low-ticket digital products. It hadn't quite clicked, and I didn't quite believe that it was possible. The next year, the second year into my business, because I had made so much more money, I realized that I could actually go and live out my dream of traveling the world. So I decided to do it. I packed up everything, sold all of my belongings, and I went to Bali for like half the year. And when I was in Bali, I met a girl who was staying at the villa that I was staying at, and she told me about someone called the Six-Figure Chick. And I had to have a look at her business. And when I did, I realized that it was 1,000% possible to make $1 million from selling low-ticket products. Why? Because she was doing it. She was making multi-millions selling low-ticket digital products. And I'm talking like $27, $19, $10. Some of them were in the 30s, some of them were in the 40s, but majority of the prices were $27. She did have a couple of courses that were in like the $197, $497 range, but majority of her money came through her low-ticket digital products. And she would show you exactly how much she made per each product. If you're like me, you know that just seeing someone do it will give you permission to do it yourself. And the second that I saw her doing it, I realized, my God, I could actually build $1 million business just selling low ticket if I really wanted to. Now, obviously, I don't just sell low ticket. I do sell high ticket and mid ticket as well. But I knew if I really wanted to, for the place that I was at in my business, I could actually make this a massive business with just low ticket digital products. And from that, I brought out several more lower ticket digital products, and they sold like crazy. And it showed me very quickly how easy this can be, how simple this can be, that you could literally make so much money, deliver such great value for a low cost, where it feels like the exchange is so fair, in fact, you've overgiven in a way, that the people who have bought from you want to buy from you again because they know how good, number one, your product is, number two, how generous you are, and number three, how much value you give, that they would come back. And what I found is that as I implemented these strategies and more people were buying, when I launched new offers and when they were higher priced as well, these customers that had originally bought my lower ticket offers, and a lot of them had bought my very first offer of the ebook on Pinterest, they went on to buy the next product and 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 the next product. And lo and behold, I realized that I had finally fucking cracked it. I had a sustainable, successful business, all from selling low ticket. Now, I know a lot of people talk about raising your prices and how charging higher ticket makes you more money. But the truth is you can make just as much, if not more, selling low ticket. There are so many reasons why low ticket is brilliant. And I always say that low ticket digital products are an incredible training ground for building a really good business. Here's what I mean. Selling low ticket, because you've got volume coming in, you've got a volume of customers coming in, very quickly it teaches you to be a good marketer, and it teaches you to get better at marketing. It teaches you to get better at copywriting, and it teaches you to get better at selling, because you've got so many interactions coming in and so many customers. And then through some of those customers, they'll ask questions and they'll have ideas and they'll want to know things that you completely didn't know or didn't see or forgot about, that you can either add into your marketing, into your copywriting, or onto your sales page that makes it an even better product. You'll also learn through selling low ticket how to become comfortable working with your customers and clients and understanding their needs. It will also help you be able to set clear boundaries and grow in confidence and become a better business owner overall because you have so much interaction like this. And then when you're moving into the selling aspect of your digital product, because it's low ticket, there's a lower barrier to entry. People have no problem purchasing something for $27. There will be so many more obstacles to overcome with spending $2,000, $5,000, even $497. There will be more obstacles you have to overcome, and those things you will have to do on your sales page and in your marketing, etc. You also have more customers because lower barrier to entry means more customers, which means what? More testimonials. And more testimonials means that you have more proof. You have more evidence that your product hits the spot. Your product produces results. Your product is what the people want because they're gushing about it. And in this study I saw on people who buy things like digital products, the number one thing that they looked for on a sales page was testimonials. So if you don't have testimonials, the best way to get them is to sell more products. And the easiest way to sell more products is to have low ticket products. Another thing is that more testimonials equals more trust, right? The more testimonials you have, people are naturally going to trust you. Word of mouth is still the number one marketing method that converts, word of mouth. And people do this digitally through testimonials. Obviously, friends still tell friends about different things, but in the sense of the digital world, your testimonials or your screenshots, social media screenshots will prove that this is a great product. And then the more testimonials and more trust you build, the more customers are going to continue to buy from you. This is why I have a 68% return customer rate, because the products that I have created have added so much value to their business that they have come back for more and bought the next offer and the next offer and the next offer and the next offer. And it also means that people are sticking with me on their journey a lot longer than the industry standard, right? It means that I am bringing out products and bringing out new offers that aid them in specific elements in their journey as a business owner, as a person on their money mindset journey. And it means that they're able to stick with me a lot longer, because in business, people will be with you for a certain amount of time. They'll learn what they need and then they move on. And that's normal. It's a normal cycle of business. Maybe they'll come back when they need a refill or when something new is out. But what I found for me is that they will stick with me a lot longer because I am fulfilling their need for something else on their journey. So what you find is that you'll have a very well-oiled machine if you sell low ticket and you have an influx of customers coming in. But another amazing thing about low ticket is it means you will have daily sales, right? You won't have like up and down income, big launches and then making nothing throughout the months. It will give you steady, stable, daily income through your business because they're low ticket. So if this sounds like something you want to create or something you want to implement into your business, doesn't mean you have to only do it. You can also have your high ticket offers and services and your mid ticket, whatever you want to sell, however you have your business set up. But if you also want to add this simple, easy, low ticket income into your business that creates that bread and butter dynamic, that steady, stable, consistent daily sales income, then what I would love for you to do is get onto the waitlist for my signature program, the Six Figure Society. If you don't know what the Six Figure Society is, it is my #1 program that teaches you how to create recurring income every single month. I say recurring 10K months, but you can insert whatever number you want. Whether you're, brand new to business and you want to start making like 2K, 3K, 4, 5K a month, add that in there. If you're a bit beyond that and you want to make more like 15K, 20K, 30K, add that in there. It teaches you how to create recurring income every single month from your business selling low ticket digital products. And in this course, it's an amazing course. Like, I show you how simple it is to make money, how easy it is to make money from your low ticket digital products, and how you can stack the different strategies that you like that work for you into your business. which is exactly how I've done it, which is how I make money while I sleep, whether I'm doing anything or not, whether I'm off on holiday or I'm sick or I'm working. You know, you might have heard me say that I was sick a lot last year. I had a lot of health issues last year. This course, the strategies in this course are what carried my business through. So if you want to learn more about that, it's opening for enrollment soon, and I only usually open it once a year. Join the waitlist because I'm going to be sharing with you a whole lot of goodies in the form of a private podcast. And what I'm going to teach you in this private podcast is how to make 6 figures in 2023. So if you want to learn that, go to my show notes below and sign up to the waitlist for that, because that will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. So my love, that is how a $27 product changed my business. It changed my entire business. It changed my life. And it is why I am still running in business today. It's why I have a successful business today, because those beginnings of building that much momentum with my product and products that I went to create in the future allowed me to become a seasoned business owner and to do it well and to have people who trust me and buy more and more what I sell. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you sign up to the waitlist, and I will catch you again next week.